Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our SuperScholar webinar, which is on property compliance essentials. My name is Brenda, and I've got Adam Curtis, and the two of us are SuperControl support team. And today I'm joined by special guests Henry and Paul, who are both from the property care team. So thank you, everybody, for joining us. So today we're going to be exploring how to use SuperControl to ensure that your listings are compliant and, of course, exceptional. And navigating compliance obviously can be complex and overwhelming, obviously due to the various assessments and requirements that are imposed on us. And today we're here to help you identify and hopefully stay ahead of important compliance indicators. But that's not all. We're also thrilled to bring you insights from experts at YourCompliance who have a pioneering tool from their company Property Care, and it's designed really to simplify your compliance journey. The YourCompliance tool really transforms the daunting task of meeting all the various regulations, and it brings it into a streamlined process, automating communication and documentation of all the various compliant tasks that we need to do. And this is also complemented by a really intuitive solution for monitoring the compliance changeover check. And this makes it easier for holiday rental owners and managers really to stay compliant without the hassle. So today we will explore these powerful tools as well as the strategies that promise to make compliance an asset rather than an obstacle for your business. So whether you're new to the holiday rental industry or maybe looking to refine your approach to compliance, this webinar is tailored to empower you with the knowledge and solutions. So here's what we'll cover. Firstly, I will briefly overview the latest regulations that are affecting your listings, and we'll have a slight focus on the UK market. We'll then outline the practical steps you can take within your SuperControl account just to ensure your properties meet your compliance requirements. And then lastly, we'll share how our integration with YourCompliance can take this burden of the compliance task off your shoulder.